Nature is everywhere around us. It is the trees in the park, the birds in the sky, the mountains, and the blue ocean. Nature is our home. Nature changes during the year. In spring, the weather gets warm. The flowers start to grow, and trees become green again. You can hear birds singing. In summer, it is hot and sunny. People like to go to the beach or swim in the river. The days are long. Autumn is colorful. The leaves turn red, yellow, and orange. It often rains, and the wind blows. In winter, it is cold. It snows in many places. Everything looks white. People wear warm coats and drink hot tea. There are many animals. Bears and wolves live in the forest. Fish live in the water. We also have dogs and cats. Plants are important. Trees give us clean air or oxygen. Without trees, we cannot live. Today, there is pollution. Cars make the air dirty. We must not throw trash on the ground. We should keep our parks clean. Look around you. Nature is a wonderful gift. We must love it and take care of it.